This is a video of the Anet A8 printing a model. The model has been fed via an SD card, and I would like to show you. Okay, this is a fused deposit modeling device, and I would like to show you. This is the filament that's going into the extruder, and the overall setup is this. It is to be mounted on something that is very sturdy. This is the Z-axis practically working, and you can see that when the height has to be changed, the Z-axis will be moving slightly. That's how it moves. This is the stepper for the X-axis. When it moves, this belt moves the carriageway on which the extruder is mounted. This is the display, and you can see the Y-axis. The Y-axis stepper, and this is the belt of the Y-axis. This is the basic setup, and I would explain all the sides to this Anet 8 in the subsequent videos. Please keep posted.